Our drop has reached the sea, precisely in Riccione at the Petronio Hotel, and plays every day at the hotel's restaurant. The drop, in addition to being an acoustic diffuser, is a furnishing object with a sinuous shape inspired by nature. The body is composed of Faenza ceramic, and each artifact is unique and unrepeatable because it is meticulously crafted by the skilled hands of the Faenza ceramic masters. This speaker can be used for stereo systems, multi-room setups, home theaters, or as background music as in this case. In addition to the two drops, there is the flat subwoofer Y121 installed in suspension, therefore hanging under the table. Listening to music is done through web radio and Spotify. The entire system is also controlled through tablets or smartphones. A good audio system in a restaurant, in addition to covering background noise, such as the noise of dishes and glasses, allows us to enjoy the dishes to the fullest. This is a fundamental aspect to ensure that the customer remembers a positive experience and returns. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you soon.